Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will walk through how to initialize a new case matter and safely collect digital evidence from your client. Let's start on the dashboard. Navigate to the Cases tab, click New Case, fill in your matter details, and click Create Case to establish your secure vault. First, navigate to the Upload Link tab in your Case Vault and select Generate Secure Link. Here, you can configure a dedicated upload window by setting an expiration time frame and a custom passphrase for security. Copy the generated link. You can send this link and passphrase directly to your client via email or message. When the client clicks the link, they are prompted for the passphrase to verify access. Once verified, the client simply drags and drops their digital evidence files. The platform directly ingests the files to our secure servers, completely bypassing insecure channels like WhatsApp, web, or email attachments. Back in your Chambers vault, refresh the case. The evidence appears instantly with its cryptographic SHA-256 hash calculated. If we view the chain of custody log, the system has logged the exact timestamp, IP address, and client device details at the moment of intake, establishing an ironclad audit-ready record. Your digital evidence is now secured, compliant, and ready for courtroom presentation. In our next video, we will show you how to securely share this evidence with opposing counsel